Taking a look at the metals markets today, I want to focus on silver. Silver a little bit higher today, outpacing gold slightly. When you look at the two metals today, silver up on the day. Once again, trading above 18 intraday, but unable to hold it, and currently trading around the 1798 level. So we are seeing, again, silver continuing to maintain this upward trend, but certainly running into some resistance here at the $18 level for the last 3 days. And when you look at some of the price action, I think the one driving factor here, there's a few, but I think one of the primary driving factors is the weakness in the US dollar. We continue to see the US dollar pushing lower, currently down in the 96 handle now, 96.40 today. So we saw the dollar weaker once again today versus most of the majors, and I think that's helping to support the metals markets. Also, we're also seeing interest rates moderate. We did see rates a little higher today, but didn't have too much of an impact on the metals front, and ultimately was somewhat of a small driver, I believe, and why we saw silver higher on the day. And when you look at some of the trends in place, I want to point out that we are continuing to see gold and silver rallying throughout this last month and a half or so, and now we're seeing both those metals pushing up to about 7-week highs. And when you look at the dynamics from a longer-term trend standpoint, I think it's interesting to point out that over the last year, we're looking at silver up about 14% year-to-date. Now gold is up about 18% year-to-date. So we are seeing gold outpace silver a little bit. But both metals have had a decent year, and along the lines of some of the other dynamics within the marketplace, where we're seeing basically almost all of the various asset classes up on the year. So it is a very interesting structure that we're going into 2020 with. And currently, as we continue to see the dollar coming off here, and I think that's part of the reason why we're seeing these metals pushing up to these 7-week highs, and silver attempting to take out $18 an ounce right now, but unable to, but holding right there at the top end of the range.